Hi and welcome back to my training. So in the last video I told you I'll show you how I edit my YouTube videos using inShot. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is click on new, then you select the clips, but before then I'll show you there are some pro features you need to add if you want to use the pro app. But for using I'm using the free app and it gives me pretty much all I need. So I'll click on this new and select all the clips I need for my editing. These are some of the videos I've edited using this app. So I'll select all the clips that needed for this editing as well as the images. Then first thing I'll do, I have an intro video for my channel, so I'll look for it and add it there. I'll trim it down to about 9 seconds and I'll select all other clips, all the screen record I did for that particular video, and I'll trim down the parts showing where I turn off my screen recording app. So I'll trim that down. I like to keep it professional. I'll do that for all the clips before I proceed. I try as much as possible when editing a video to be professional enough so that people won't know or they won't see you as a novice, stuff like that. So once I'm done, I'll add another image, the image of the design I did, as well as a subscribe image, telling my viewers to subscribe to my channel. That's a good practice. Then once I'm done, I click on next and it will take me to this workstation. Then I can drag and drop if my videos are not aligned properly. I'll drag and drop, then I'll crop it to remove my keyboard size, my control panel. You can select whatever size you need, but I'm doing this for a YouTube video, so I'll use YouTube. But my screen is more than the size of YouTube, so I'll just use a no frame, then trim it down a little. Then I can apply. You can't apply to all, so you have to do this manually for all your clips, which is one sad thing about this app, but it's pretty good as well. The image is aligned properly, so I don't have to do anything for it. I can add the duration, set the duration. I like to leave the last clip at 10 seconds. So I will change the background to a dark background. If you notice the change on the background, I'll leave it to a dark background so it won't show that my phone screen is more than the size of a YouTube video. So I can speed it up. Since it's a video without voiceover, I like to set the speed of each clip to about 1.5 seconds. That way I won't spend much time. People won't see me as I'm editing slowly or stuff like that. Then I'll watch the clip. I can add a blank screen, or you can add an image or a video, whatever you need to add, you can add it while editing. So I'll remove this. I don't need it for my video. One sad thing about inShot is that there is no transition effect, so your clips just switch like a playhead. It will just switch without adding any transition to it. So if you need a transition, you can use the other apps, but for this app, everything is just straightforward, and you cannot, it doesn't let you add video clips on top of each other. So everything is just on top of one single playhead. I would like to add music to my clip since there is no voiceover on the video, so I like to use a copyright-free image. You can download it online from the YouTube market. So I'll select the clip, the music I need for my YouTube video, and I'll click on use to import it to my editing. Then I'll edit it and add in a fade in and fade out effect. You can duplicate it. You can add multiple clips on top of one another. You can do a voiceover on your video while you are editing, but I'll remove that since I don't need it. I'll just add some more music to it from my gallery. You can add it on top of each other, but I like it to play one after the other. I'll just look for a music in my gallery to import. I'll do this for all the duration of the video, so I'll add another clip until the duration of the video is exhausted. I'll keep adding clips since I am not talking on each of my videos. The ones with voiceover, obviously I don't add music to it, or I add a background music and reduce the volume to a reasonably small volume. So I'll just select more music to import. Yeah, it has exceeded the. Then one thing I like to do here is to add in text, basically telling people to subscribe. And you can add effects to your text and transition, and resize or rotate however you see fit. You can edit the color, add shadows, delete the border or edit the border as well. You can add a label to it. You can use that for your subscribe button if you don't have an image like this. So I'll just revert back to the normal and I'll add in some transition to it, like the in transition and the out transition. They have some really cool effects here, but I like to use like a fade in and a fade out. I'll set the out transition to slide downwards. Then you can change the fonts. You can add custom font as well, or you can buy from their store. Then you can extend the duration of the text. I'll add another text. Similarly, adding my transition, my in and out transition. There you can see the transitioning. You can copy your text as much as possible and you align them on top of each other. But I'll just delete this since I don't need them. Then once I'm done, I'm pretty much done with this video. If I like, I add like a watermark showing that this is my channel video, but for some reason I tend not to add it. I'll just leave it like that. So you can zoom in and zoom out of your clip, and you can apply to all. Then you can add in filters as well. They have some really cool free filters for you to use, as well as some pro filters. I'm not using any of them, so I'll just cancel them. I'm basically done with this. I've added my music, I've edited my clip. Then I like to add in some stickers. You can add in custom stickers, or you can use their pre-existing stickers. You can import an image from your gallery and use as a sticker, or you use this. So I import the subscribe and the share sticker and add it to my video. It's a good practice as a YouTuber to have a call to action for your subscribers. So if you are doing a video for a YouTube client, you can add in their stickers and make sure it doesn't cover some important details. So you can copy it and use as much as you like, but I will delete and leave this too. You can add in at any duration of the video. And once you're done, you just click on save and you specify the frame rate. Click on save, specify your custom frame rate. You can specify from 120 to 1920 pixel. So these are the frame rates. I'll use this low frame rate because it's saving me a lot of space and time, and also a lot of data uploading into YouTube. So that's it on how I edit my YouTube videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.